everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today you are taking a closer look at our 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali. With just over 98,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck does feature a Summit white exterior, and it is equipped with a 6.6 liter V8 diesel engine. It is 4-wheel drive, and it does have a Clean CarFax with 2 previous owners. Starting in the front, you will see your high intensity headlights with your LED fog lights integrated into that lower bumper with proximity sensors. And you will also have chrome tow hooks as well. Making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, you can see that Denali 20-inch polished wheel wrapped up in a like new off-road tire. And we'll get to the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside of this diesel pickup truck, you will notice it is equipped with clearance lights, tow mirrors, and fixed running boards. These tow mirrors are equipped with turn signal indicators integrated into the glass and LED reverse lights. Looking inside, you will be met with a black on black theme with some off-white stitching, faux wood grain. You'll have some brushed aluminum and a little bit of chrome. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. And of course, you do have these black leather upholstered seats with your off-white stitching. And if we look up, we have a powered sunroof. Looking into the back seat, you will have plenty of space back here for passengers, and they will have some storage on either side of the seats and in the middle with 12-volt charging, and they will also have a fold-down cup holder. Making our way around to the 6.5-foot bed, it is equipped with a spray-in bed liner. And back here we will see all our towing equipment, rear proximity sensors, and rear camera. And you'll also have your integrated rear corner step. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your power features such as child safety locks, power windows, door locks, mirror adjustments, and memory seating. And if we look to the left of the steering wheel, you will have an integrated trailer brake control with your gain controls, 4-wheel drive selector, a lamp selector, and brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience, and as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here you can see all the tires are 16s all the way around. So brand new tires, brand new brakes, and everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. Upon startup, you can see just over 98,000 miles. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you will have a heated steering wheel, forward collision, and cruise control. And to the right, you'll have your selector for your center screen. And you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth. And as you can see, this nice touchscreen display is equipped with navigation and a nice large backup camera here as well. Followed up with some simple radio controls, a CD player, and your climate controls. And on either side, in the front, you will have heated and cooling seats. And down below, we'll have adjustable foot pedals, traction control on and off, your cargo light, proximity sensors, you can turn those on and off, lane departure assist, downhill descent, and an exhaust brake. And further down, we will have plenty of charging options as far as 2 USBs, 2 12 volts, and a 110. And I love this center console here, plenty of storage. And you do have wireless charging here in the middle. And down below, you have plenty of storage as well with more USBs. Bringing our attention up top to our auto dimming rearview mirror with our OnStar services. And up here, we will have our LED map lights. And then we'll have our controls for our rear sliding glass and our powered sunroof. Under the hood, you can see and hear our 6.6 liter V8 Duramax engine, very clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a phenomenal job of making these ready for the next buyer. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Duramax. Keep in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible. Starting up front here, of course, you're gonna have minimal stone chipping because of this guard right here. Nice functional hood scoop, all the chrome trim around there is good. And that beautiful chrome grille seems to be intact. Doesn't look like these front recovery hooks were used. And the headlights and fog lights are clear. You have some spots if you really zoom in here. Other than that, no cracks, so there's no condensation buildup. Let's check out these polished wheels. Very nice, no curb rash. Let's come up the passenger side. Some minor cosmetic blemishes here on the mirror cap. And a little bit of fading here on top of the running boards, but no scratches or anything like that. Some of this chrome material is coming off of the door handles here, as you can see. So that coating is coming off there. And as far as the interior is concerned, very clean. No rip, stains, tears, or odors. I did see small blemishes here by the sunglasses compartment there. Other than that, very clean, smells good, no smoke odors or anything like that. And you can see some of that coating on the door handles coming off here. Looking into the back seat, pretty good shape. Small spots here and there, but no rips or tears that I did see. And the headliner looks pretty clean as well here, guys. Let's take a look at this 6.5 foot bed, spray-in bed liner. It does have a mat over here, so I'm gonna lift that up and see what we're working with underneath. Other than that, no dents or dings on the passenger side. Back by the tailgate, up here you will have some scarring from cargo. And then down below, even your bottom bumper looks good. Somebody knows how to back up. So no dents or dings back here, but you will have some paint chips. This is on the driver's side rear. Let's take a look under here. Beautiful spray-in bed liner. Just some dust under there. Other than that, pretty good shape. We'll have some marks on the side from cargo. That's what a truck's for, right? I think I do see a small dimple here above the body line. The left rear wheel on the driver's side. And you'll have some small imperfections like this and here. Coating on this door handle is good. All the chrome trim around the doors are good. And on the mirror cap, that one looks pretty good, but you will have some markings and small cosmetic blemishes. So if you have any more questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, shop online 24/7. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy, takes 10 minutes. But make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this vehicle does qualify. So come out and see us here at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.